Shah Rukh Khan.
Thank you very much, everybody. Thank you, Christopher, and thank you very much, everyone. Please settle down. क्या करूँ हाय कुछ कुछ होता है.
So, Devdas is a story that's been told many times. It's been remade many times. And you grew up yourself listening to this story, seeing this story on screen. What was it like to actually make a version of Devdas?
Yeah, so lots of you are too young to know about the background of this film. It's a very famous novel written in, I think, 1916 or 1917 by Sarat Chandra. Apparently, he was very young when he wrote it. A part of it is it's a semi-biopic kind of a zone where he knew some of the characters in the novel. And for those times, the novel was very advanced and very different and was not perhaps, and I think his family or some people around him were very embarrassed that he's written a story like this. By the time I got to see the film, I think they'd made 18 films based on the same novel, or 20, and lots of other plays and songs, and it's a very, very famous piece of story. I saw it with my parents because they were big fans of Mr. Dilip Kumar, and that one was supposed to be the most marvelous of them all. And some other great actors had also done it. And by the time I think Mr. Sanjay Leela Bhansali, the director, wanted to make this film, I think everybody in the country felt it's a bit dated. Maybe the younger generation, I'm talking 2002, so it was more liberalized India, and people were looking more at popcorn entertainment, more kya karun hai, kuch kuch hota hai, and more college musical kind of films. So India was changing. But I think Mr. Bhansali was very resilient. He really wanted to make this film. And I think by the time we got through with it, like big films, I think it was the most expensive film being made that time in India. So it went through its shares of troubles. No money, producer vanishing, had to complete the film in a few days, went over time, over budget. But I had a great time because I always felt doing this film would be a kind of not a tribute, but some kind of a memory to my mother who loved this film. And a lot of actors in Mumbai also told me that don't do it. This is not your zone. You can't be doing this. You're more pop culture actor. And where I was wanting to do it, hoping that it'll fulfill some kind of an unfinished thought and love for my mom. So I did it, and we showed it to Mr. Dilip Kumar also, who also kind of appreciated it. But I think all credit to the director, Sanjay Leela Bhansali, the two lovely actresses, Madhuri Dixit and Aishwarya Rai. Yeah. And Mr. Jackie Shroff, and we used to shoot all nights, the dialogues. Sudeep Da, who shot the film at that scale. I remember there was a time, you use generators, gensets, to kind of light up areas. And there were 90 of them at one time on one set. There were no other gensets left in the whole city of Mumbai because it had to be lit up so much. It was very opulent, very lavish, very rich, very big, and the costumes and the drama and everything of it lent itself to be accepted at a very large scale in India. It became a big hit. It was released in other festivals, and I think it's a modern-day masterpiece, thanks due to Mr. Bhansali, Aishwarya, Madhuri, Jackie, everybody who was part of it, and a little bit because of me also. I thought I was good in it. For an actor, it always is. You want to play those stock characters. I want to play a guy who's an alcoholic. So for me, it fitted that, and I had never done a film with such an intricate Indian garb. So just as an aside, more often than not, the kurta is very long. If you'll notice, it's period. It's early 1900s. So that's how they dressed up. Very difficult to walk. To keep falling. Many times, and you have to tie it around. And you need a specialist to tie it. After some times when I couldn't tie it because it kept falling off, in between the shots. and all. So I got a zipper made. So I had a very modern-looking lungi, which is blasphemous, but I couldn't. I was always so worried that it'll fall off while I'm doing the scene, and but it turned out to be one of the best experiences of my life. So much so that we, as a production company, bought the rights of this film back, and I'm very, very proud that it belongs to our company now. And I hope you all enjoy it. It's great. It's all that. It actually does define a lot of Indian cinema in its opulence, in its beauty, in its larger-than-lifedness, in its, how do I say, theatrics. So it is a very dialogue-oriented, very dramatic, musical film that you'll see. And there's some outstanding dance set pieces. I think some of the best that have ever been shot in the world. And there's a piece, I don't know, I don't want to give away spoilers for those who haven't seen it.
I think everybody's seen it.
Oh, okay. All right. Okay, so I'd say dialogue, I would say for all of you in Locarno, when I'm leaving from here, so I'm going to miss you all. So there's a dialogue in Devdas. So there was a dialogue in Devdas when I think the lady asks this heartless alcoholic man, did you ever miss me? So he says, no, I didn't miss you at all, ever, except for once. Only one time I used to miss you. And she says, when? He says, every time I took a breath, I used to miss you. So, so it's a line I said in the film. एक बात होती थी तब तुम्हारी याद आती थी जब जब मैं सांस लेता था तब. So I hope you enjoy it and like the film. Thank you, Christopher.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, all of you. Before I came here, I didn't know how many people would be interested in watching the cinema I've done. The choice was of Locarno. I think it's one of the nicest films they've taken in my career. One of my favorite films of my own. And I'm so glad that all of you are here and enjoying cinema in general and enjoying Indian cinema also. So I thank you from the bottom of my heart. And because I sometimes, obviously, I don't know you personally, neither do you, but I do want to wish you and pray for your families, your children, your parents. May you have the happiest life. The most wonderful things happen to you. All that has happened to me, I hope. So, yeah, but thank you very much, and you have a good evening, and I'm very, very touched by all of you. God bless you all, and always, always, always be happy. God bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.